Just a few leaves from the stem of a pineapple, and you can say goodbye to osteoporosis. This silent disease weakens your bones and slows you down. To fix this, we only need about 10 leaves from the pineapple stem. Interestingly, pineapple is one of the rare fruits that is packed with manganese. Manganese is an essential mineral for bone formation, strengthening, and the regeneration of bone tissues. Plus, it contains vitamin C, bromelain, and vital minerals. Now, we are going to add 1 cup of apple cider vinegar to this. Apple cider vinegar helps your body absorb the calcium and minerals from the pineapple more efficiently. It essentially acts as a booster to speed up the whole process. Once added, we will seal the bottle tightly and store it at room temperature for about 48 hours. Before we move on, if you haven't followed our page yet, this might be the last video you see. We only share our upcoming wellness videos with our active subscribers to grow our community. Did you know? If a person drinks just 1 small shot of this remedy every day for 30 days, they would consume 76% of the daily recommended value of manganese. Manganese is absolutely crucial for building strong bones, developing connective tissues, and easing calcium absorption, ensuring a rapid recovery for your joints. Your body will receive all the essential minerals, vitamins, and calcium that your bones desperately need to maintain perfect stability and long-term health. If this remedy helped you, don't forget to comment the word bone below. Subscribe to Secrets of Herbs by DP Goyle for more natural health secrets. Stay close to nature, stay healthy.